then why?
Hey, this is Chase from the Green Mechanics, and as you might have noticed, this video is a bit different because, well, I'm not Mason. I am Chase from the Green Mechanics, and from now on, there's going to be a few changes to this channel. As of today, there's going to be 2 people running the Green Mechanics. That is me and the original owner, Mason. Hope you enjoyed this video and all further ones from both of us. Goodbye.